Hello again, this is Matt Coffman with AxellRacing Performance Engineering. I'd like to introduce you to another one of our customer cars. This is a 2003 996 911 base model. When we started on this car had about 83,000 miles on it. Cylinder number 6 had zero compression. Turned out that cylinder number 6 also had a broken valve. So we decided to do a full engine rebuild on this one. Tore this engine all the way down to the main crank. So we got new crank bearings, connecting rod bearings, piston rings, new valves, valve springs. This engine is as good, if not better, than new, and is ready for another 100,000 miles. The question is, are these engines worthwhile rebuilding? My answer is yes. You cannot buy a used engine and stick it in these cars and expect it to work. Your best option is to have it rebuilt. I enjoy rebuilding these engines and keeping them on the road for years to come. Do you have a 996 or a 997 that needs engine work? Give me a call.